accepted to step down and endorse the candidature of Honorable Tajudeen Abbas for the speakership of the Federal House of Representatives. The President was quite touched by their gesture, because what binds us together is superior to whatever that divides us. We are one big APC family, and together we shall cross the Rubicon on Tuesday. We cannot thank them enough for their graciousness, and I want to commend the roles played by the Chief of Staff to Mr. President, by His Excellency the Executive Governor of Niger State, by the leadership of the party here represented by the Deputy National Chairman North. I think our party members will give a sigh of relief